Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on PCEX.com on your phone. So you can either follow the steps in your PCEX.com application, or you can simply use your web browser and come on PCEX.com. Here you will have to simply log in into your account, and once you have successfully logged in, your interface will look something like this. Here in the top right hand corner, you will see your profile, so you will have to click on it. Now simply scroll down, and here in the languages you will see English written. So once you tap on languages, it will show you all of the languages that you can basically use in order to change the interface of your PCEX account. So here you can choose whichever language you want. For example, let's say I want to change it to the German language. So as you can see that I have selected German, and now everything on this page is in German language. So this is how you can basically change your language on PCEX.com on your phone. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.